Hello guys, Manoj here. In this video, we are going to check benchmark results of Razer Blade 16 2023 and its frames per second performance in each latest game. So if you are thinking to buy this laptop, watch this video carefully before buying it. Let us see a short intro of Razer Blade 16 specifications. Razer Blade comes with a 5.5 GHz Intel Core i9 13950HX, 24 cores and 32 threads, so 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores with 32 GB dual channel RAM, 240Hz screen refresh rate, and with a powerful GeForce RTX 4090 GPU. 16 by turn screen aspect ratio with lesser bezels, which looks excellent. This looks really like a professional gaming laptop, better for the office purpose and better for gaming and video editing. Let's check Razer 16 FPS in each games. All these games tested in 180p with ultra ray tracing level. And the laptop performance in gaming is really great, so you can expect good FPS in most of the latest released games. Cyberpunk 2077 has 154 FPS in DLSS, which means Deep Learning Super Sampling developed by NVIDIA GeForce. This is a performance booster AI technology for gaming. On average, you can get 64 FPS in Cyberpunk, which is pretty good. Sometimes you will get minimum FPS under 40 to 35. And Hitman 3, my favorite game on DLSS, it's getting 270 FPS, which is insane, and on average you will get 167 FPS, even you will get 130 FPS minimum. Even that minimum FPS, it's enough for most of the gamers. And Formula 1 2022 is getting 144 FPS in DLSS and 106 on average, and the minimum is 96 FPS. Next, Call of Duty Modern Warfare. 4090 PC, you know the power of PC. At the same time, the laptop GPUs are pretty great nowadays. 218 FPS in DLSS mode, 136 on average and minimum of 66 FPS. Red Dead Redemption, 142 FPS, 49 on average and 36 minimum FPS you will get. This game is really a graphically intensive game. Anyway, it handles well with ray tracing turned on completely. Forza Horizon 5 with the latest updates is getting 122 maximum frames, 67 frames on average and 45 minimum FPS you will get. Next, we will check the power of Photoshop performance in Razer 16. Asus ProArt is totally built for creators, but Razer 16 is really close with good rendering score. For Premiere Pro, it's 3 times more powerful than the older MacBook Pro 15. Comparing with older MacBooks are not good, but I'm still saying this for your reference. Finally, we'll check the important test on battery. Razer Blade 16 has 5 hours 43 minutes on normal web browsing, which is connected to Wi-Fi, which is really bad for this kind of higher price range laptops. But on heavy load, the Razer Blade is doing little good with 1 hour 12 minutes of working capacity. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. See you all tomorrow.